Hi, my name is Christopher Rodriguez. I'm from Odessa, Texas. What I did before training, I was basically a glass manager of a window department attached to a radiator shop. The owners of the radiator shop had an idea to run a dent shop and decided to send us out here and give it a try. We chose denting because they seem to be very explanatory in the classes, in the videos, especially when you're going through your hands-on training. They're very critical at points to perfect the dent that you're working on and to get better as you're going when you're on your own. That way you're not having to rely on somebody being there over your shoulder. They're just trying to get you perfect. The first day of training was a little bit surprising because we thought it was very simple, but once applying the training, you have to train your body to get used to certain dents, positions, training your eyes a lot. It's very critical. When you look at the videos, it doesn't no justice. I always encourage people to try to go hands-on with it. And once you go hands-on with it here, it seems that the teachers start to be very more explanatory, especially in the things that you're seeing, feeling, and the things you're experiencing. As long as you're vocal with them, they will help you fix it. I'm hoping to perfect the dent art and basically just teach the people that I have underneath me to apply that on their skill list. Thank you, Thinking. I appreciate Todd, I appreciate James, Sal, all the people that put this together, and especially really again the instructors, James, Sal, Lee. I appreciate it very much. Thank you.